Hi guys, I'm Adam Taki, the co-founder of Amazing Taste Food Seasonings and the author of Spice It Up. Tilapia sauteed in butter and cooked in a skillet. 5 minutes, 5 stars, less fat, less calories. We're doing it right now. I've got a couple pieces of fresh tilapia right here, and I'm just going to season them with Amazing Tastes seafood seasoning. And why I'm using this seasoning is it has natural butter flavor in it. And it has that big, rich, buttery flavor without all the calories and fat. There's actually 0 calories in this seasoning, and it has that flavor. Okay, I'm just going to season both sides here of my tilapia, just like this. And I love tilapia. It's such a nice, light, white fish, and it just pairs up so well with so many different foods, and from fish tacos to pasta to just steamed vegetables, and it's just healthy, and it's such a wonderful, super rich protein, and you just feel so good after you eat it. Guys, I've got my nice big frying pan heated on a medium-high temperature, and I've just put in 1 tablespoon of butter. That's all, because remember, I'm relying on getting a little boost of butter from the seasoning. And I'm just going to saute my tilapia here for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or till it's tender at the touch of a fork. And that's it. Guys, enjoy. I'm Adam Taki. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, please visit amazingtaste.com and have a great day.